The CEO of OpenAI just predicted something that should terrify every 9-to-5 worker watching this video. He said the first one-person billion-dollar company is coming soon, thanks to AI. And if one person can build a billion-dollar business, then you absolutely can build one that replaces your salary and gives you your freedom back. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Look, I get it. You've been thinking about starting a business for years. Maybe you've watched countless YouTube videos, bought courses that are still sitting unfinished on your computer, or started projects that fizzled out after a few weeks. You're probably thinking, sure, AI sounds great, but I'm not technical. I don't know how to code. How could I possibly compete with all these tech experts out there? Here's what everyone gets wrong about AI business. They think you need to be a coding wizard or have a computer science degree. That's complete nonsense. The biggest winners in the AI revolution won't be the programmers. They'll be the people who understand business problems and know how to connect AI solutions to real paying customers. I went from zero AI experience to generating over $7 million in the past 2.5 years. Not because I'm some technical genius, but because I figured out the system that I'm about to share with you. I built every type of AI business you can imagine. Agencies, software companies, consulting firms, education businesses. I've seen what works for beginners and what doesn't. And after helping hundreds of thousands of people in my community, I've cracked the code on the ultimate one-person AI business model. Here's exactly what I'm going to show you today. First, the simple business model that can get you to $10,000 per month with just 4 clients. Second, the specific AI systems that local businesses are desperately willing to pay for. And third, the secret cold outreach strategy that finds those clients for you automatically. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to build your escape plan from the life you don't want into the one you do. Before I show you the exact business model, you need to understand why this moment in history is so special. We're living through what I call the solo entrepreneur's trifecta, and it's about to change everything for people like us. Most people think AI just appeared out of nowhere, but this revolution has been 50 years in the making. Back in the 1970s, computers were seen as tools for big corporations and government control. Then, a group of rebels in California flipped the script. They created the personal computer. That was piece number 1. In the 90s, we got the internet, connecting all those personal computers and giving individuals access to global markets. That was piece number 2. And now we have artificial intelligence, the final explosive piece that completes the trifecta. Here's why this matters for your bank account. The secret of the wealthy has always been leverage, getting more output for the same input. For decades, the rich had 3 types of leverage locked away from us: people, money, and systems. AI just handed you the keys to all 3. You don't need to hire employees. AI is your digital workforce. You don't need venture capital. AI helps you build products with almost no upfront cost. You don't need to be a programmer. AI creates the systems for you. With the right tools, you're not just one person anymore, you're a team of 100. This is the single greatest empowerment of the individual in history. But here's what most people miss about turning this power into actual money. The biggest mistake I see aspiring entrepreneurs make is thinking they need hundreds of customers to build a real business. That's exactly backwards, and it's why most people never get started. Listen carefully. To make $10,000 per month, enough to quit your job and pay all your bills, you don't need hundreds of customers. You just need 4 clients paying you $2,500 each. 4 people. That's it. Your entire mission over the next few months isn't to build some massive empire. It's just to find 4 business owners who have a problem you can solve. Now, I've tested every AI business model over the past few years. Micro SaaS products, online courses, general consulting. I've done it all. And I can tell you from expensive experience, the fastest path to that first $10,000 is selling AI automation systems to local businesses. But here's the key. You don't become a general AI agency trying to build anything for anyone. That's a recipe for overwhelm. Instead, you become a specialist. You pick one type of business and one type of system, and you become the absolute best at delivering that solution. I've analyzed all the data from my community and my own agency, and I've identified the 4 most in-demand systems that beginners can build. Speed-to-lead systems that ensure businesses never miss new customers. AI booking systems that work 24/7 on WhatsApp and SMS. Social media DM bots for Instagram and Facebook. And AI receptionists that answer phones and book appointments. Almost every local business needs at least one of these systems, and most need all 4. These systems might sound complicated, but I've made them stupidly simple to build. In fact, the hardest part isn't building them. It's finding your first 4 clients, and that's where most people get stuck. What I'm about to share with you is the most highly leveraged tool a beginner has for finding clients. It's how I've built multiple 7-figure businesses, and it's completely legal and ethical when done right. Cold email is leverage at its finest. You write one email campaign, and it talks to hundreds of businesses every day on autopilot. It's like having a sales team of 20 people working around the clock, except it costs almost nothing to run. Here's the secret that most people miss. The easiest way to make money is to sell to people who know less than you do. We're not going after tech-savvy e-commerce brands or digital agencies. They're too advanced with AI adoption. Instead, we're targeting the most AI-clueless businesses we can find. HVAC companies, roofers, plumbers, contractors, home cleaners. These businesses are years behind on technology, which means your simple AI systems will seem like magic to them. Here's exactly how it works. You get a list of leads using a tool like apollo.io. You send simple email campaigns for each of your 4 system offers to each business type. After running campaigns for a while, you see which combination gets the most positive responses. Maybe plumbers love the AI receptionist, or roofers respond best to speed-to-lead systems. Whichever combination gets the most replies becomes your specialty. You go all in on that niche and that system. I've had students land their first client within 2 weeks using this exact approach. One guy went from 0 business experience to $8,000 per month in 3 months by specializing in AI booking systems for local gyms. Another student built a $15K per month agency focusing just on social media bots for restaurants. This system will get you to your first $10,000 per month. But that's just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start automating yourself out of the business. Once you have clients and cash flow, your job completely changes. You need to stop being the worker and start being the architect of your business. This is where most people stay stuck at $10K per month instead of scaling to $50K, $100K or more. The real opportunity isn't just in getting clients. It's in what you do after you have them. Once your cold email system is running and you're delivering the same solution over and over, you need to identify every bottleneck in your business and use AI to destroy it. If you're spending too much time preparing proposals, build an AI system for that. If client onboarding takes hours, automate it. If you're wasting mornings on reporting and client updates, create an AI agent to handle it. Your mission becomes gradually automating yourself out of the business. This is where those no-code tools become your superpower. You're not just delivering AI systems to clients, you're using the same tools to build your own digital workforce. Every repetitive task in your business becomes a candidate for automation. This is how you create true freedom. A business making $20,000, $30,000, even $50,000 per month on autopilot, where you're only working a few hours per day from anywhere in the world. I have students living this reality right now. Look, I'm not going to lie to you, this isn't going to be easy. Building any business is hard work, but this is the easiest path I've found to financial freedom in the AI era. You have the map. Get to $10,000 per month with 4 clients at $2,500 each. You have the vehicle. AI automation systems for local businesses. And you have the route. Cold email to AI clueless industries. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. There are hundreds of thousands of people with no technical background and no business experience learning AI automation and building their freedom as we speak. Getting into AI business right now is the opportunity of a lifetime, but this wave won't wait for you. The early movers are already claiming their territory in local markets across the world. I've put everything you need to get started in my free AI Solopreneur's Blueprint. You'll get step-by-step tutorials for building all 4 AI systems, complete cold email templates and campaigns, and access to my entire library of free AI automation courses. Grab that blueprint in the first link in the description below. It's completely free. And if you found value in this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the latest strategies for building your AI-powered freedom. Your escape plan is in your hands. The only question left is, are you going to take action, or are you going to let another year go by wondering, what if? I'll see you in the next video. Hold on. Your 300% AI profit program is waiting. Spots are filling fast. Click the link below this video now and start making profits before you miss out.